When should I use broad, phrase, and exact match keywords in Amazon PPC? If I would have given you an answer 5 years ago to when should you be running these and how do they interact, it's a totally different way than how do they interact now. So I'm going to give you an updated version of now in 2026, how do these match types interact. So broad, phrase, and exact. Technically, what you want to get is whenever something is broad match, everything that has at least one word and or synonym to that one word, it's going to show up in your search result. Everything that is phrase, it's going to be at least a part of the phrase being in the search terms that you are going to generate, and everything that is in exact match, again, should be exact match. But right now in 2026, it's not only exact match, it's going to be also synonyms of it. And this is only for sponsored product ads. So that being said, when you should be using this, in Scaleway, we have 5 strategies upon which we are creating advertising. We have the protect campaigns. This is for brand defense. Here we want everything that is an exact match to target our own products and our own brand. It's an exact match. Why? It's because we want to make sure that whenever someone is looking for our product, they would find our product. So in that scenario, you would be using exact match. We have the conquer campaign, which is we are going to target our competitors and or listings that where we have a competitive advantage against. So in that scenario, what we're doing again in exact match, we are going to target those listings. Why exact match? Is because we want to make sure that we are not giving too much of a leeway to Amazon to showcase our ad wherever it is not supposed to showcase, right? So then the third one is going to be rank strategy. Again, this is an exact match type of strategy where in exact match we are going to find the keywords that describing best our product. Now again, in that scenario, you should be using exact match. Actually, we have dominate as well, the fourth one, so I'm going to finish the cycle. Dominate, again, it's an exact match category where we are going to play around with placement modifiers. So for that, if we see on a specific placement our ad is performing well, we are going to use it. So as you can see, for the 4 campaign strategies that I just shared with you, all 4 of them are exact match. Why? It's because there we can control as much as possible the budget. Now, this does not say that you're going to control all the budget because as I was saying, Amazon does show you similar keywords or synonyms of the keywords that you're targeting as well. Again, for sponsored product ads, in sponsored brand, that's just total like wild because even if you're in exact match, you're going to showcase for product that usually would have been in broad match. Okay, now let's simplify this. The reason why I'm sharing for you 4 strategies is an exact match, always should be an exact match. Now, discovery campaigns is where we would be using broad match and phrase match and even auto campaigns. Why? It's because for discovery, we want to get as much as possible data from Amazon of what would they consider our product, where would be the best match, right? When should you be using this? It's really depending on what was the strategy behind. So if your strategy right now is to rank organically for a few keywords that you just want to make sure that you're going to show up always, all the time, for those, you cannot use the broad and or even the phrase match. You can, but it's not going to be as effective as exact match. And this is important for you to know because most of the time what I see is if you're going to just create a campaign and just hoping for the best, if you don't know and don't understand the way how you structure the campaign, it's not going to help you get there.